What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we are in Tomball and I want to show you this beautiful resale property that just hit the market. It's going to give you 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 1-story on 2,035 square feet of living space. And what's really big about this property and something you don't find very often anymore is privacy. So you're going to have no left neighbors and no rear neighbors. And on top of that, you're going to be located on a cul-de-sac lot. Let's go ahead and check it out. So guys, here we have the exterior. As you can see, it kind of has this ranch elevation with those wood pillars for your foyer. And there you can see no left neighbors. You're gonna have a 2-car driveway. And here is the cul-de-sac. So you're actually located towards the end of the community. So there's no other houses apart from these here. And you're gonna be here located in a cul-de-sac, super convenient with no neighbors. Let's go ahead and check it out. Currently, I'm hosting an open house for this. It just hit the market, like I said. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. You're gonna have a covered patio. And then as we step inside, you will find vinyl throughout the flooring. You will find carpet in the bedrooms. As I mentioned, it is gonna be a 4 bedrooms. Your first 2 are gonna be located here right at the entrance, but just take a look at the width of this foyer. Now, here we go, starting into the first bedroom, right left to the door. They're currently using it as a home office, but it does have a closet right there, making it a bedroom, pretty good size. This property is owner occupied. However, the owners did know that they weren't gonna stay too long. So they did a wonderful job at maintaining the property, as you're gonna see throughout. Then next to the bedroom is gonna be your first bathroom located towards the front of the property. You're gonna have a stone tile here, a single sink, and a tub shower combo there. And right next to this is gonna be your second bedroom. Again, carpet, and this one's gonna have a view to your side yard. And then here's your closet space. Let's go ahead and take a look. Pretty good size. And then this one is actually gonna be taking a look at your front yard. Let me not go ahead and skip over that so you guys can see. Now, for those people that do care where the house is facing, it's gonna be facing south/southeast. And then before we get to the main part of the house there, you do have your garage, which is currently being used as a home gym. Your garage is gonna be climate controlled. And as you can see, the owners added this beautiful blue epoxy flooring and extra shelving space along the walls there. So super cool. This can kind of see what you would envision your garage as. And then moving forward down the foyer, ultimately it's gonna lead you into your kitchen, dining, and living area. And then check that out in a bit. Let's go ahead and begin with the kitchen. You are gonna have granite countertops and a granite island, which includes some bar stool space there. And all your cabinets are gonna be this very dark brown, all throughout 42-inch cabinets. Just take a look how big these are all the way up there. And then for the backsplash, you're gonna have this white tile that goes all throughout here. And then tons of cabinet space underneath as well. And then, of course, your island, which is gonna have 2 sinks actually. And then right next to that is gonna be your formal dining. And just take a look at all the natural light coming in. And it is actually very spacious. You can see this table alone is fitting 3 chairs there. So plenty of space. And I love this light fixture that they added there. And just take a look at all this natural light coming in from all these 4 windows here. You're also gonna have access to your backyard, which we will take a look at in a bit. And let's not skip over the high ceilings in this property. Take a look at that. Now over here is gonna be your living area, which is gonna have a gas log fireplace. Now the owners did let me know that they really never used it. So it's super clean, but it is functional. And it's gonna have a stone veneer around with this nice finish of wood up here where you can put your TV. And then even more natural light, these windows are able to be opened, and then you actually have some picture windows on top, letting even more natural light in. Super spacious, and everything is connected, so super open. Now let's go ahead and check out what is right here. This is gonna be your pantry. So you have these French doors, and take a look at that pantry. This is much better than those corner pantries that a lot of builders use. Now the builder for this house was Castle Rock. So pretty good builder. And then here is gonna be your laundry room. Now, it's super conveniently placed next to all the bedrooms, so it's not too far away from any. You're gonna have one right next to here, and then down this hallway, you find the 2 other bedrooms. And then if you walk this way, into that corner is the primary. So it's gonna be conveniently placed in the center of everyone. And here it is. It's gonna have some shelving space as demonstrated there. Extra space for anything you may need over here and your washer and dryer connections. And then walking through here, you have your third bedroom, carpet again with a view to your right side. And now these all three secondary bedrooms are very good size. You actually have access to your attic there. Now over here, right next to the living area, secluded towards the back is gonna be your primary. Before we get there, you do have an extra coat closet here. Let's go ahead and check out the primary. Super good size with tray ceilings and a very nice light fixture there. Now, as we go ahead and move forward, you can see tons of natural light looking into your cul-de-sac lot with no rear neighbors. Check it out. Super green, as this property does come with sprinklers. Let's go ahead and walk into the primary bathroom. It's gonna be super functional. You have a separate soak-in tub there with a large window there, a walk-in shower in the corner, which is actually a pretty good size, and it's gonna have stone tile throughout. Let me actually go ahead and turn on this light. There we go. And then if we turn around, you are gonna have dual sinks on this countertop with those same dark brown cabinets that we found in the kitchen. And then towards the end, you have your privacy toilet there. And then next to your sink is gonna be your oversized walk-in closet, which is gonna have carpet, shelving space all throughout. You can see super functional, super spacious in here. Now, let's go ahead and check out the backyard. Like I mentioned, offering you tons of privacy because you have no left or rear neighbors. It is gonna have a doggy door for those people that have pets. And then stepping out here, a covered patio, which is a very decent size. You actually have an outside kitchen, outdoor kitchen here with this island. And take a look at all this yard space, super green all throughout. And then if we walk here, you can actually extend this covered patio over here because you do have cement on this side. And take a look at all this space you have. It wraps all around the property. Now, I'm not gonna step too much into the grass because it did rain a couple days ago, just yesterday. So I don't wanna go ahead and mess the inside of the house up. But you can see, super well maintained, just 9 years old for this property, and tons of space and no neighbors on that side. And as you can see, your utility line is not even inside the property, which I know in some properties are. Now that is it for the full tour of the property. A few additional things I would like to mention is how close it is to everything else. So first of all, you're gonna be located to the highly acclaimed Tomball ISD. You also have easy access to 249 shopping centers just 7 minutes away, where you can find HEB, gyms like Planet Fitness, EOS. So lots of entertaining around this area, but far enough away to add that peacefulness. Now you're also a 10 to 15 minute drive away from Tollway 99, which is gonna take you north, south, east, west, all throughout Houston. And then 249 south is gonna take you into I-10. So super conveniently placed. This house, we have it listed for $389,900. If you guys would like to schedule a private tour for this property, my contact is gonna be right here as well as down in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.